Good day, everyone. Let's look at our question. Explain the functions of the Johannesburg Securities Exchange. Remember, when answering the question, we need to focus on the cognitive verbs or the action words. Our cognitive verb or action word for today is explain. The verb requires depth from the learner, so with this question, split marks are awarded. Let's look at the functions of the Johannesburg Securities Exchange. Provides protection to investors. The JSE increases primary capital. The JSE also serves as a barometer of economic conditions in South Africa. It promotes short-term investments, and it acts as a link between investors and public companies. Let's focus on our key words. Protection, primary, barometer, promotes, and link. Now let's look at some images that can hopefully remind us of these key words. Our first image is a shield, and this reminds me of war and how the warriors would protect themselves while fighting. It also reminds me of a very famous roll-on brand. Our second image is a bag of money with the letter R within it. This reminds us that the JSE helps or increases primary capital for both businesses and investors, or raises primary capital for businesses and investors. Our third image is a scale of some sort. This is to remind us of measurement, and we can measure the economic conditions of South Africa by looking at the JSE. We do this by watching or observing the share prices of various businesses, and in this way we know if they are doing well or not. Our fourth image reminds me of a timer, and this is to remind you that the JSE promotes short-term investments. Our last image is a chain link, and this is to remind you that the JSE acts as a link between investors and public companies. Let's remove most of the facts while leaving the keywords behind. We have protection, primary, barometer, promotes, and link. Now let's remove the keywords as well. What we are left with is a shield, a bag, a scale or barometer of some sort, a timer, and a chain link. Now it's up to you to try and remember the facts that were just presented. Over to you.